Hey there, wonderful learners. It's Ma'am Tando here, and I'm super excited. Today, I'll be doing some fun revision with one of my amazing learners. I'll read out some questions, and she'll be answering them. Let's dive in together. 1.1. Various options are provided as possible answers to the following questions. Choose the correct answer A to D next to the question number 1.1.1 to 1.110. In the answer book. 1.1.1. The rate of photosynthesis in green plants does not depend on one of the following. A. The amount of CO2 in the atmosphere. B. The oxidation process to produce new compounds. C. The temperature of the atmosphere. D. The light intensity of the sun.
Letter B. This refers to the oxidation process to produce new compounds.
1.1.2. The process of a liquid changing to a gas, especially by heating. A. Evaporation. B. Denitrification. C. Immobilization. D. Ammonification.
Letter A. This refers to evaporation.
1.1.3. Is a plant part modified for the transportation of water and dissolved minerals that occurs from the roots to the leaves of plants? A. Phloem. B. Stalk. C. Xylem. D. Cuticle.
Letter C. This refers to xylem.
1.1.4. A catabolic process where energy is released and carbohydrates and fats are broken down to simpler substances. A. Mineralization. B. Photosynthesis. C. Anabolism. D. Respiration.
Letter D. This refers to respiration.
1.1.5. The diagram of the plant below is an example of propagation through A. Bulbs. B. Rhizomes. C. Corms. D. Stolons.
Letter D. This refers to stolons.
1.1.6. The structure within the receptive stigma that determines the growth direction of the pollen tube is called the A. Generative nucleus. B. Vegetative nucleus. C. Micropyle. D. Polar nuclei.
Letter B. This refers to vegetative nucleus.
1.1.7. One of the following damaging effects to plants is caused by plant pests. A. Poor germination and growth of a seedling. B. Yellow leaves resulting in poor photosynthesis. C. Grain and fruit damage before reaching maturity. D. Elongation of plant seedlings.
Letter C. This refers to grain and fruit damage before reaching maturity.
1.1.8. Hand pulling and mulching are all examples of weed control methods. A. Mechanical. B. Preventive. C. Biological. D. Chemical.
Letter A. This refers to mechanical.
1.1.9. One of the following is not an advantage of hydroponic production systems. A. A favorable climate can be created for plants. B. It is necessary for crop rotation. C. Correct and optimal nutrition is always provided to plants. D. Certain characteristics of the plant can be manipulated to satisfy the consumer's needs.
Letter B. This refers to the necessity of crop rotation.
1.110. Environmental factors to be considered when selecting the general locality or site of a greenhouse are 1. Sunlight. 2. North side location. 3. Good drainage. 4. Cost of materials. Choose the correct combination. A. 1, 3, and 4. B. 1, 2, and 4. C. 2, 3, and 4. D. 1, 2, and 3.
Letter D. This refers to I, 2, and 3, which is sunlight, north side location, and good drainage.
1.2. Choose a term or phrase from column B that matches a description in column A. Write only the letter A to H next to the question numbers. 1.2.1 to 1.2.5 in the answer book. 1.2.1. mineral uptake by soil microbes and conversion to organic matter, which is unavailable to plants. Karabo, what is the answer?
Letter E. This refers to immobilization.
Correct. 1.2.2. Membrane transport that does not require energy to move substances across cell membranes. Karabo, what is the answer?
Letter A. This refers to passive transport.
Correct. 1.2.3. The branch of science that combines biology and technology with the aim of improving people's quality of life. Karabo, what is the answer?
Letter H. This refers to biotechnology.
Correct. 1.2.4. It involves two sperm cells. One fertilizes the egg cell to form the zygote, while the other fuses with the two polar nuclei that form the endosperm. Karabo, what is the answer?
Letter J. This refers to double fertilization.
Correct. 1.2.5. A solid, liquid, or semi-solid substance designed to support the growth of a population of microorganisms. Karabo, what is the answer?
Letter B. This refers to growth medium.
Correct. 1.3. Give one word or term for each of the following descriptions. Write only the word or term next to the question numbers 1.3.1 to 1.3.5. In the answer book. 1.3.1. The vascular tissue in plants that conducts sugars and other metabolic products downward from the leaves.
Phloem.
Correct. 1.3.2. The production of fruit without fertilization of ovules, resulting in seedless fruit.
Parthenocarpy.
Correct. 1.3.3. The artificial removal of excess water from the root zone of a plant in the soil.
Drainage.
Correct. 1.3.4. The practice of replanting the same crop species in the same field year after year.
Monoculture.
Correct. 1.3.5. A structure covered with a transparent material in which crops are grown under controlled environmental conditions.
Greenhouse.
Correct. 1.4. Change the underlined word in each of the following statements to make it true. Write only the answer next to the question numbers. 1.4.1 to 1.4.5 in the answer book. 1.4.1. Compost are materials of animal origin used to maintain or improve plant nutrition.
The correct answer is organic fertilizer. Compost is incorrect. Organic fertilizer are materials of animal origin used to maintain or improve plant nutrition.
Correct. 1.4.2. Hybridization is when plants with desired traits are chosen by humans.
The correct answer is selection. Hybridization is incorrect. Selection is when plants with desired traits are chosen by humans.
Correct. 1.4.3. Soil cultivation is the cultivation of different crops on the same piece of land from one season to another.
The correct answer is crop rotation. Soil cultivation is incorrect. Crop rotation is the cultivation of different crops on the same piece of land from one season to another.
Correct. 1.4.4. Hydroponics is the process of applying water to the crops artificially to fulfill their water requirements.
The correct answer is irrigation. Hydroponics is incorrect. The correct answer for this question is irrigation. Irrigation is the process of applying water to the crops artificially to fulfill their water requirements.
Correct. 1.4.5. A Class A evaporation pan is a tool for indirectly measuring soil moisture tension in agriculture.
The correct answer is tensiometer. A Class A evaporation pan is incorrect. So the correct answer for this question is tensiometer. A tensiometer is a tool used to indirectly measure soil moisture tension in agriculture.
Correct. And just like that, Karabo got full marks for Section A. Well done, my girl.